Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a quick backup of any essential game data and confirming your account details because you may need them later. Once done, open your file manager and grant storage permissions so you can access app folders. Next, force stop PubG Mobile Lite and swipe it away from recent apps to ensure no files are locked. This prevents corruption. Make sure you are on the device owner account and that USB debugging is off unless you know what you're doing. You now navigate into Android/data/com, Tencent, Iglite, or the game's internal storage folder because that's where config files live. Carefully locate files like game, CFG, TSSDK config, or any files in a config folder. These govern settings. Once identified, copy them to a backup location on your device or cloud, then delete the originals to reset settings. After deletion, empty any trash or recycle bin in your file manager, so the game won't. You finish by restarting the device so the system resets file handles. Then launch PubG Mobile Lite and allow it to recreate default config files automatically. If the game shows errors or crashes, restore your backup copy and check that the config file permissions are read right for the app. Incorrect permissions block access. If problems persist, clear the app cache from Android settings and only reinstall the app as a last resort, because reinstall removes local saves unless cloud synced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.